Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make perfect meringue shards the only way. We'll start by carefully separating 3 large egg whites, making sure there's absolutely no yolk present. Then, we'll gradually incorporate 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. To give our meringue extra stability and ensure it holds its beautiful shape, we'll also add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This simple combination is the foundation for truly stunning results. Now, let's talk about whipping the meringue to perfection. Begin by whipping your egg whites on medium speed until you see soft peaks forming. Then, increase the speed to high and continue whipping until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks. You'll know it's ready when the meringue holds its shape firmly and beautifully when you lift the whisk. This crucial step usually takes about 7 to 10 minutes, transforming your mixture into a light, airy cloud. Once your meringue is perfectly whipped, it's time to prepare it for baking. Gently spread the meringue thinly and evenly onto a baking sheet that's been lined with parchment paper. We'll bake this at a very low temperature, specifically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The baking time will be approximately 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. The goal is for the meringue to become completely dry and wonderfully crisp, ensuring that perfect shard texture we are aiming for. The final, crucial step is cooling and creating your beautiful shards. After baking, turn off the oven and allow the meringue to cool completely inside. This slow cooling prevents cracking and ensures maximum crispness. Once fully cooled, gently break the large meringue sheet into your desired shard shapes. To maintain their delicate crispness, store these stunning shards immediately in an airtight container. When stored correctly, they will remain perfectly crisp for up to 1 week, ready for your next dessert creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.